So in this kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book a hostel here on kayak.com. So once you open up kayak.com, I want you to go ahead here and go to where it says stays and then go select a destination. So for example, if you wanted a hostel in, I don't know, I'll just go with London, England. United Kingdom, go ahead and select your dates, and go ahead and press on search if all looks good. Now, once you're here, you're going to be seeing a variety of different, stays. You're going to be seeing hotels, etc. So, if you want to kind of check out different hostel options, go to the top to where it says type of stay right here. Press the drop down. Go ahead and actually uncheck all of these right here, and then press on more. And then where it says hostel right here, so hotels, hostel, I want you to go ahead and press on hostel right here, then press on apply. Now, what your search is going to be refining to is a bunch of different hostels that are being offered in your selected areas. So you can go ahead here and check all the different websites that are offering different prices. And if you want to book through one of them, you can go ahead, view the deal, and book it that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book a hostel on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.